Do you want to be able to add a voiceover to your Instagram story? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to actually make this work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be quite easy. We need to firstly go into our Instagram app, of course, and then also log into your Instagram account if you haven't done so already, because then you should be taken to this page right here. So actually now what we're going to do is to, of course, click on the plus symbol. I'm just going to click on the plus symbol to be able to add a story, as you can see, and there's actually quite a lot of options for us in here, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is to just click on story in here, of course, and actually instead of just selecting like a random photo or a video, what I'm going to do is to click on camera right here. So basically what you need to do to be able to add voiceover to your story, the easiest way is to actually just record like a story right away and speak in that story. So I'm just going to record this one and I'm going to speak, as you can see, because what happens is that that story will recognize that you're speaking and it will add a voiceover, or rather what you're speaking right now, to the story. And unfortunately, as of right now, as you can see, it's like the only way that we can actually add a voiceover to our story. So I hope that this video is actually helpful to you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.